All right, good morning there. This is Aaron at Booyah Farms, and I was working on these old potato beds. I'm going to be planting some cowpeas in there later today, and looked over, and man, I got a lot of beans I need to start picking. So I decided I would go through. Let's see. Yeah, these are good-looking beans. Go through this vine real quick before I actually planted stuff right next to it. Pick it real good. And let's see what we end up with. All right, so we're back. I just picked the green beans. I'm sure there's more in there I missed, but I got a good pile. Look at there. That's a nice little pile of green beans. That'll be some dinner for tonight. And these things just keep rolling. Thanks for watching.